I'm a graduate
Okay.
and I'm Kadpadu. All would make making all would make with wood.
Okay.
Don't laugh, right?
Okay.
Start it in your start tell Barbago.
Hello, my dear language learners. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new over here, my name is Sarla. This is day 9 of 30 days challenge, and in this particular video, I'm going to introduce my brother. So he will try to speak in English. Hello.
Hi.
So he is my brother. His name is Viresh. Now he's going to talk in English. Okay, so don't laugh, and this is completely for beginners. Okay, so he will try to speak as much as possible. So now I'm asking some of the questions to him, so he will going to answer my questions. Okay, so hi bro,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine.
You're always fine. Okay, so may I know about yourself, because a lot of people are also watching you and want to know about you, and tell me.
Um.
What is your name, where are you from, what did you study, and I will ask every single question. Okay, so you will
Okay.
definitely give the answers for those questions.
I will try.
Okay, you will try. Tell me, so what is your name
My name is Viresh.
and where are you from? Just introduce about yourself.
I am from Kodmur Mandal, Karnool district in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, so what did you study?
I am a graduate in the BSc for the streaming of BJC.
With the stream of.
With the stream of BJC.
Okay, so correctly what you are doing?
Mm, how would you say, Kali?
You are searching for a job.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's searching for job. And just describe about this house. Is there any kind of stuff like objectives, anything?
This house is Matti house. Matti means sand house.
Mud house.
Mud house
Okay.
with a lot of pillars
Okay.
and all would make making all would make with wood.
Okay.
Don't laugh, right?
Okay.
Um, that's it.
That's it. So there is nothing in front of you. There is a camera in front of you. There is a laptop, TV, and everything. You just try to describe about it. So what is the color of it? What is the use of those objects? You can describe about it.
Mm, the the TV is there
Okay.
with black color.
Black and white color. Okay. So just you can describe about what are your hobbies.
Playing games.
What is your
Watching
favorite?
movies.
What is your favorite game?
Cricket.
Cricket. Okay. So how many friends you have?
Lots of friends I have.
Lot of friends.
All are Boki friends.
Okay. So just you have to describe about anything in English, because lot of viewers are waiting to watch you.
You tell what is the topic, I can say.
Okay. So just try to describe about this diary.
What is this diary? Is this your diary?
Yes.
It's not my diary.
This is my diary, of course. This is my diary. But what you should do is you have to describe about a book. What we have to do with this book, and what are the things we have to do in that particular book. You just talk about it.
What you can write, I don't know.
I'm saying that what we should do with that book.
This is a diary.
Okay.
We can write daily things. What I want.
Okay.
Oh,
Tell me.
this is diary.
Okay.
We write this we write my vlogs and everything in.
What is the use of that book?
Use means
You can write.
we can write my hobbies and what we can do,
What we did.
what we did in a day.
Okay.
I can wrote this diary. I can
Right. Okay. So what?
write this
And
diary.
also you can write your dreams.
Yeah, I can write also dreams also.
Okay. What about your dreams?
Lots of dreams.
Tell me.
There is no particular one.
Okay.
We enjoyed a lot in future.
Without getting a job, how you can enjoy?
With my dreams.
Only you are
I can
just flying
fulfill.
with your dreams. That's it. You are
Yeah.
not going to do any kind of jobs.
I will try, but
English problem.
better luck another time.
And you like traveling.
Yeah,
So what is your favorite place and why you want to go there?
trekking is.
Trekking.
Oh, I love trekking because the trekking is very
Mm.
beautiful and adventurous.
Okay.
We can go the large mountains, we climb it and skydive.
What about the places I'm asking? So only trekking or trekking? What is that?
Trekking.
Trekking. Okay.
Yeah.
And is there any kind of dream places you want to go?
I can see the world.
You want to see? You want to.
World.
So I want to see the world.
I want to see the world.
Okay. Talk about your friends or about this laptop. What is this? The use of this laptop? You can describe
Uh,
what.
all my friends are books. There is no talk and there is no else to talk about the
English. So I want to ask one question. So who are your friends? So your
Because
friends are not going to talk in
they don't
English.
have also English.
They don't know.
That's why we are all bookie friends.
I'm asking that you friends knew about this language, but they are not going to talk with you in English, right? So why? What is the problem? Why you are not going to talk in English?
Uh, they don't know how to speak in English in a good way.
You are not learning this language. Just you are trying to learn this language for interview purpose.
I want some basic English is okay with that.
So what kind of efforts you are doing right now
Mm,
as a beginner?
I see your videos.
And
That's it.
just watching videos. So you
Yeah.
are not trying to speak in English
I can speak in English with you.
with me and also with.
There is no else.
Of course, there is no else. Is there any kind of AIs are available?
Yeah.
So are you going to talk?
ChatGPT,
So
ChatGPT.
are you practicing your English with ChatGPT?
Yeah, sometime.
Why sometimes?
Uh, because of my interview,
Okay.
in HRs will ask in English how you are fluent in English.
Okay. They will check your communication skills.
Yeah, that's why I can learn English.
Okay. And you don't want to become fluent in English?
I don't want very fluent in English, but
I'm asking that you don't want to learn fluent English.
yeah,
Why? What is the reason? Only you need basic English. That's it.
I want just basic English. That's it. I don't know. I don't have fluent English.
Okay.
Too much of English is also boring.
Why? So a lot of people are also trying to learn this language because in the future English is the only thing. If you want to go any kind of any kind of places, you want to travel the world, right?
Yeah.
But without English, how you can talk with people? How you can manage? You only know Kannada and Telugu.
Yeah.
So basic English is not going to work out in other countries. You want to know English, right?
In other countries, they don't have fluent English also.
Okay.
but suppose we understand the English,
Okay.
how they can, if somebody come with me and ask how want you, I said I want this. That's it. That's English is enough. Where you can go, I can go like that way. I can go that place.
Okay.
That's English is enough.
So you have to try because I am also learning. You are also learning. So lot of people are also trying to become fluent English speakers.
Yeah, so many.
Are you
don't
going to-
discourage that people
Okay.
because they can try more fluent in English.
Okay.
But I have little English is enough for me.
But you are trying. But
I
you're
am trying.
okay. You're trying. Maybe in the future you have
I
that
don't
hope.
know. Maybe in future I can speak better than you also.
Oh, amazing confidence. That confidence everyone needs. And you can try to speak English like this. Okay?
Okay.
You want to say something to the audience?
Question?
Just try English. Speak English.
Talk English. Talk English.
Talk English.
Serious, be serious.
That's it.
Say something like so learn English and also trying to improve your English daily. So something like that you want to say.
English is not only the main source.
Okay.
English is very important in life, but sometimes they don't know. They don't have that much of English.
Okay, you don't want to give priority to English very much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Interview ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ?
So in every interview, everybody asks the questions in
all
English.
Indians,
Okay.
all are not in the profession of jobs.
Okay.
Some are business peoples are there in India.
Okay.
There are so many categories also. Well, position.
Okay. So even they don't know English, they are in high position.
They don't know English. They are in high position.
Okay.
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 Mm.
Okay. Now you are trying. Maybe you are.
I'm trying
Okay.
because in the future, I can start a business.
Okay.
In such a business get a high. Then
Okay.
other also foreign countries came to me and ask in English.
Okay.
In that time I have English.
You want English. Okay.
I want English. I have English. Yeah?
I want to speak in English.
I want to speak in English.
Okay. Okay.
That's it. I
Little
in the basics of that topic I have to speak in English.
You will try, and you also said to me that maybe in the future more fluent, right?
Not more fluent. Less more. Less.
You said na. So you
Yeah.
said recently.
Yeah. I said.
In the future I will speak and also I will become fluent English and I will beat you. You said to me.
Yeah.
ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay, sure. And all the best for your practice. And so say bye.
Say bye. Bye.
Okay, so what do you feel about this video? Do let me know in the form of comments. And also he will trying to improve his English nowadays. Okay, and yeah, if you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I'll catch you in another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Say bye.
ఇటుకి రామ్మా.